Hi friends, welcome back to my another video. I am Priyanka and you are watching Priyanka's Unlimited Teaching. Today I will show you how to make flower tops out of old sausage bottles. First I will clear the label. Now I will cut the top of the bottle. I heat up an iron and poke a few holes in the bottle. Now I am painting face on the bottle with acrylic color. The color of the sausage bottle is so beautiful that I did not need to paint them. I had an old red fabric. I used glue gun to attach the fabric to the head above the face to contrast the bottle. I am putting two old earrings, one on the cloth and one on the nose. Also put a bindi on the forehead. My decorating flower top is ready. Now you can place it anywhere in the house or garden. I will decorate them at home with fake flowers. That's it for today. I will come again with the next video. Till then everyone stay well. If you like my video, like, comment and subscribe. Tata.